Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's put all the different jalapeno popper variants we've made together into one super one, and we can call it Chaos Jalapeño Poppers.
All right, let's make Chaos Jalapeño Poppers. We've made jalapeno poppers. We've made vampire poppers. We've made Texas Twinkies. We've made surf and turf jalapeno poppers. We've made armadillo eggs. We've made so many different variants of jalapeno poppers. I mentioned it in a video earlier on that, hey, it'd be fun to try and put them all together. So today, we're gonna put together some of the best aspects of a bunch of those and make a Chaos Jalapeno Popper. I will put links down below to all the videos of the ones that I reference or the ones that we use pieces of. So in case you're interested in just making that one in particular, because this one's gonna be ridiculous. I don't know if you wanna make this one, but it should be fun. And it might be fun to make. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So we're gonna go on this journey together. Yeah, this might be the dumbest idea I've had. But either way, we've come this far. We can't stop now. We have to make it. So without further ado, let's go. And as per usual, we got some thick boys here. I wanted like bigger ones because these are gonna be like substantial, but that's a big ass jalapeno. Anyways, we start by cutting the tops off and coring them. Then for a filling, we take out a medium-sized bowl? Sure, we'll call it that. Then we start with 1 block or brick or whatever you want to call it, or 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And now we dig into our past. We're gonna start with our vampire jalapeno poppers, which are that and the vampire dip are staple appetizers at Slater's 50/50. It's a restaurant chain. It's at least in California and Nevada. I don't know if it's anywhere else, may or may not be, but they're delicious. Essential base of it is a bunch of roasted garlic mixed with artichoke hearts. So we have this, so we're gonna put in a big old bit of that. There's our roasted garlic and artichoke hearts. Then we move on to our surf and turf jalapeno poppers. We're just some stupid idea I came up with crab meat, although we use fake crab meat because it's for a jalapeno popper. If you really want to use expensive crab meat, go for it. But fake crab meat's not bad. You know, it's good in sushi and stuff. So the surf was the crab and the turf was the bacon that we wrapped it in. So we're gonna throw a bunch of crab meat in there. Then we add our Texas Twinkies, which I didn't come up with, but they're a combination of a bunch of cream cheese, a bunch of other stuff, and brisket. So we have some leftover brisket that I chopped and diced really fine. So we're gonna throw in a bunch of that. Then we add a little bit of grated Parmesan, a little bit of grated mozzarella, and some grated cheddar. This is a mixture of a few different grated cheddars, actually. That's why it looks like Colby Jack, but it's actually white cheddar and yellow cheddar. And I think 2 different kinds of yellow cheddar. So we got that. Then we add in a heavy pinch of salt, pepper, garlic, about the same of your favorite barbecue rub. If you're using a barbecue rub that has a lot of salt in it, this one doesn't. But if you are using a barbecue rub with a lot of salt in it, then go light on the salt. You don't want it to be too salty because then you'll put all this work into it and it'll be like too salty and you'll kind of ruin it. So don't do that. And then we're just gonna mix this all together. All right, now I gotta try some. That's surprisingly delicious. I wasn't sure if it all worked together, but it totally does. All right, moving on. We'll set this aside. Sort of, kind of, not really, just barely aside. There's no way this is gonna go through a piping bag, so we're just gonna have to use a spoon or your fingers. We're just gonna have to make it work. Actually, I can just do this right over the bowl. If you're using your fingers, you just kind of have to make sure that you get it all filled in and don't have any like air pockets, but just do your best. That's all we can ask for, you know, is do your best. I'm here to help you make your best better, maybe, I don't know. Or I'm just here to entertain you because I'm a idiot. And I made way too much filling, which is kind of what I thought would happen. Now I'm gonna put this somewhere. So here's our guys, all nice and filled up. And from here, things are gonna get progressively weirder. So let's go. It's gonna be fun, don't worry. And the next thing we're gonna take inspiration from is our armadillo eggs. So these, if you remember, if not, like I said, I'm gonna link everything I reference. I'm gonna link the video for each of those down in the bio, whatever you call it, I don't know. Anyways, so basically armadillo eggs are just pretty standard jalapeno poppers that are wrapped in sausage and then wrapped in bacon. So essentially we take something like that. These jalapenos, we might only get a few. Okay, we might need a little extra here. We're gonna have some hefty boys here, but you know, it's technically supposed to be kind of shaped like an egg, but like I've said before, if you just get even coverage, then I think you've won the battle. So just sort of do this until all the parts of the jalapeno are covered. And something like that looks pretty good. That's a huge wow. All right, so then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. All right, so my next stupid idea is to take from our chicken wrapped jalapeno popper. I don't even remember what we called it. I want to wrap this guy up. We're kind of gonna have like a turducken situation here a little bit. So let me see, what do we need here? We don't want too much, just enough. Is that gonna work? Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. Okay. And then we take our guy here, and this is gonna take probably a few pieces of bacon. So we take one piece and just kind of do that. Probably another piece across the other way. And then we just do this. Why do I do the things I do? I don't even know. I turned a jalapeno popper into a potato. Do I need another piece of bacon on that? No, I think we're fine. All right, look, it's a baked potato. All right, well, we'll make it work. Why do I do the things I do? All right, now we just wash, rinse, and repeat. And there's our 3. This is an abomination. There's our 3 baked potatoes. No, these are our 3 chaos jalapeno poppers. I ran out of chicken, so this last one is just a very confused armadillo egg, but that's okay. We'll make them all. We'll make it good, you know? And we're just gonna hit all these with some barbecue rub. And I'm gonna put a probe thermometer, I guess right here in this guy. And then we're gonna smoke these until we want everything cooked. So to be fully cooked, it needs to be 165. So if we pull it at 160, it'll continue to cook and we'll hit at least 165, maybe 170. So off to the smoke we go, low and slow on applewood. And here we have our guys. 10 to 15 minutes before they're done, we wanna pull them and then we wanna brush them in barbecue sauce. So let's just give these guys a nice little brush. You wanna kind of cover them on all sides. Now we put our guys back in the smoker until they reach temp. And here we have our ridiculous potato looking chaos jalapeno poppers. They're so ridiculous. Why do I do the things I do? I don't even know. This is for you, folks. This is for you. I hope you like it. Anyways, these just came out of the smoker, so they need to come up to temp, and then they need to cool. So we're gonna let these cool. All right, so after a little bit of cooling, here's our fattest guy, and they look like potatoes. I can't get over this. What have we done? I don't know. So let's cut open our fat boy here and see what we got. Let's see this monstrosity. Oh my God. We literally have a weird sort of jalapeno popper had a baby with a turducken situation going on here. But I kind of like it. What do you think? Leave us a comment. And there we have our ridiculous, maybe the dumbest thing I've ever thought of, chaos jalapeno popper. It's like all of our other jalapeno poppers combined in one, and it looks like a freaking baked potato. But hey, there it is. Because like I said, we were already too far gone, so we had to finish it. So there we go. And it's time for a bite. So obviously this is too big to take a bite of like the whole thing. So I'm just gonna make myself a bite, cut myself a bite. And even this is gonna be big. This is a monstrosity. Why the do I do these things? Nash, why? Why do we do these things?
Because you're crazy.
Dude, it was your idea.
I stand by what I said. You're crazy and I'm loyal. It makes for a pretty fun ride.
Anyways, cheers. What the I mean, it's circus food. It's county fair food. It's something that shouldn't exist in real life, but it's actually pretty damn good. The filling is good. It's packed with flavor. I mean, obviously there's a bunch of different stuff in there. So we got the garlic, we got the artichoke, with the roasted garlic, we got the artichoke, we got the crab, we got the brisket, we got the cheese, we got the other cheese and some other cheeses and the jalapeno. And then we got the sausage, which is rich, and the chicken, which is juicy. It just shouldn't work. It should be too much, but somehow it's delicious. I don't know what to say, but we had to do it. And I thought it would be a disaster. We made what looked like a strange alien baked potato of some sort, and somehow it's delicious. I don't know what to say, but maybe try this, because I think at the beginning I said don't try this, but maybe you should. I mean, it can't hurt, right? If you got some time and a bunch of stuff, why not? While I collect my thoughts, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, you're just laying down. Aren't you usually sitting for this portion of the video?
I wanted to show everyone my best Ian Malcolm impression. You got to give the people what they want.
There's my boy. Well, how you doing, bud?
I'm just here to kick ass and chew bubble gum, but I'm all out of bubble gum.
Check it out. We got these Chaos Jalapeno Poppers. I don't even, it's a monstrosity, dude. I don't even know why you wanted this so bad, but hey, here you go. What'd you think?
Dang, I don't know what you're talking about. This is amazing. Jalapeno poppers, good. Brisket, good. Crab, good. Sausage, good. Chicken, good. Bacon, good. What's not to love?
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty.
Surprisingly, Nash approves, I approve. I don't know what to think. But hey, for those of you who've lasted this long through this video, thank you so much for watching. This is, it was a lot of fun. If you want to make a really stupid, fun dish, go ahead and give this a try. I don't recommend everyone give this a try. It's like I said, it's stupid, it's fun. I appreciate you all going on this journey with me to indulge in stupidity and make a really stupid dish. But it actually turned out pretty freaking delicious. So yeah, thank you so much. It was a lot of fun. And hey, after making all of these different jalapeno popper variants, and there's probably 100 more that we haven't even tried, but putting them all together and making one giant monstrosity of a giant potato of a jalapeno popper, it kind of made me happy. I had to try it. It was a stupid idea I came up with. And thank you for all those coming on this journey with me. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would really mean a lot to help us out. If you want notifications for every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that in the comments and or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.